Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend so far, and welcome to this new video here on XRP. We're going to do a full update. There's some interesting things going on right now which you need to know about, but in general, we're going to do a full price prediction and price analysis, kind of what's going on right now, and what to expect this week and this start of the week, which is most likely going to be volatile. I mean, in general, if you take a look at the volume across the market, the volume for XRP is actually, well, it's still pretty low, but it's we've seen these levels before. I mean, especially in the last couple of months, there have been times that the volume dropped down this low, even though it's not often. Let's be completely honest about that. But the volume in general in the markets is very low, so that's a bit of a bad sign, and I think you should know that. Look, XRP is still holding on fine. And XRP is still, it's been a while since I said this, but it's still one of the altcoins that still actually has a bullish structure. We're still consolidating here at the top. And, well, I mean, if you can find another altcoin that's doing that, that's not manipulated, let me know, because, well, most of them are not doing that, including Bitcoin. But no, so overall the market is not that strong. The volume is very low, so what that means is that the liquidity is very low, so that we're going to get volatility, right? I mean, basically over the next 24 hours, we're going to see a lot of liquidity, we're going to see a lot of capital flow into the markets that will make the market move. However, do I think that matters a lot for XRP? No, not necessarily. I mean, I do think on the lower time frames, XRP will be volatile. But XRP compared to other altcoins usually is quite steady for multiple reasons. But the most important thing is that you should know it is quite steady. And then overall, if you take a look at XRP right now, there are some interesting things going on with the order flow, which make me believe we can still be bullish. But what we've talked about yesterday as well, with XRP settling below the POC area right here between 2.41 and 2.45. That's by far the most important key level, and we've broken down below that on a Friday, all right? So it wasn't a weekend breakout, which usually weekend breakouts can still reverse. In this case, look, what you can see is that we broke down below that level with quite a lot of volume. That's not great. And then at the same point of time, another reason why I unfortunately think it's most likely that XRP is going to come down here, ultimately into the bottom of the range between 2.15 and $2. You know, intra range, maybe we can actually find some more support here at 2.3, because I mean the thing that XRP is lucky about is that it has a lot of strong support. All right, so I do not expect XRP to turn bearish. I just think short term it's more likely will drop down. Like I said, for the technical reasons we can see on the chart. But outside of that, XRP is also one of the most correlated cryptos to Bitcoin. Correlated to Bitcoin for about 75%. Only Ethereum is higher, and maybe some Bitcoin related altcoins. But very correlated. And if you take a look at Bitcoin, what you can see is that we're still below a major resistance level with no real apparent reason to get that breakout. To get that bullish breakout. All right, so therefore I'd say it's more likely that Bitcoin is going to come down a bit first as well, and then after that we'll see, who knows. But therefore, due to the correlation, I think that's another reason why XRP can actually fall down lower here, or why it's most likely. Now, what's interesting here is that what we have seen over the course of this morning during the Asian session is that there's a lot of leverage coming into XRP, and it seems like, not all of them, but it seems like most of these are big long positions. So that's quite interesting. Look, that might be insider information. I would not bet on that. I don't think that is most likely. I think it's more likely that these longs will get hunted. All right, so therefore, I think this is another reason why we will spike down first and pull back into support before potentially getting more bullish. But in general, it's something you should know, and in general, I think it's a development you have to form your own opinion about as well. But yeah, I mean, like I said, for now, I think that's another reason why, you know, more long exposure will get hunted right here. So another confluence as to why we would test support before ultimately being able to get a bullish breakout. And what I also do think you need to know, but that is something we'll be able to talk about more tomorrow, is that the performance of XRP also depends a lot on how the stock market opens. All right, so if for whatever reason the stock market opens super strong, then we could still reclaim that POC. But that is something, like I said, tomorrow we'll have more data on that, and then we can talk about that. But for now, I'd still say that this is most likely. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.